This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect electric furnaces in the popular game Rust. We'll dive into the essential steps for powering these incredibly efficient smelting devices, setting up smart automation systems, and ultimately optimizing your resource processing. Get ready to significantly streamline your base operations, allowing you to free up valuable time for exploring, raiding, or focusing on other crucial in-game activities. This guide will help you master electric furnace setups. To power your electric furnace effectively, you'll need a reliable electricity source. Options include solar panels, wind turbines, or a battery, which stores power for consistent operation. Connect your chosen power source directly to the furnace's power input using a wire tool. Integrating a simple switch into your circuit allows you to easily turn the entire smelting operation on or off, conserving precious power when it's not actively needed. Remember, each individual electric furnace requires 3 power units to function correctly. Automating your smelting process in Rust is a true game changer for efficiency. Begin by attaching storage adapters to both your electric furnaces and any storage boxes you'll be using. Next, strategically place industrial conveyors to automatically transfer raw materials into the furnaces for processing, and then move the cooked resources out to your designated storage. You can even set specific filters on your conveyors to manage and sort particular item types, making your base's resource management incredibly streamlined and highly efficient. For those looking to scale up, advanced setups involve linking multiple electric furnaces together with additional storage adapters and industrial combiners for truly mass production. Always optimize your wiring by minimizing the number of components like electrical branches and splitters, as each one can introduce a small amount of power loss. This careful planning ensures your entire automated system runs as smoothly and efficiently as possible, maximizing your output. Check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your real-life ride fresh and smelling fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.